What's up, guys? So today we are actually doing a little bit of autocross fun experimentation. Getting a little sideways. The parking lot's a little slippery, which I'm actually pretty excited about. I haven't had the chance to drive this car much in the rain yet on summer tires. I've drifted it all around in the winter. Can I switch if I ever need a quick U-turn? I can just do that. Like, that's a nasty drift. Oh my goodness. I love this car. Tight. But haven't really had it out in slick conditions on summer tires, so this has been lots of fun actually. And so what I'm actually doing today is maybe not the most legal or recommended thing, but I'm using this awesome app called TrackAddict, and what I've done is made a little autocross circuit of a local hockey arena here that is shut down for COVID. So the lot's empty. It's been empty for the last couple weeks, and I've been coming here and doing some hooning, which we won't tell anyone about, of course, because I don't want to get a trespassing notice. But it's all in good fun, really. I mean, better here than somewhere else, like on the roads. That'd be bad. So we're here. I got some cool footage with the TrackAddict app that I'm gonna play next in the video. But basically, for those who don't know, and I mean, I've been kind of skeptical and in the past maybe a little negative looking towards autocross. But after playing around in this parking lot for you know, a little bit of time here, it's actually pretty fun and a good way to kind of push your car and have some fun with the car without, you know, the expenses and the liability and all the effort that goes into a full, you know, circuit track day for a car like this. It's like a parking lot circuit, so I know I've never actually been to one, so I'm probably not the expert to be speaking on this topic, but autocross is essentially it's like tracking your car in a parking lot. So it's kind of a smaller scale track where usually they use pylons and they'll have one lane down and one kind of upright, and you'll kind of weave through a circuit that's set up in a parking lot with pylons or cones, orange cones. And so what I've done here is kind of use the markings on the parking spots to find certain intersections where I say, okay, that's going to be a cone, that's going to be a cone, and then I'm using different curbings around here to essentially kind of make my own little track. And it's really cool on TrackAddict because you can just record a new session and it'll set up a new track for you. So I have some really cool footage that I'll play next. But first I'll introduce you guys to the track a little bit, I think. Okay, so on TrackAddict, this is where essentially I've started the start line. So this is the far end of the parking lot. You'll see there's a lot of parking lot over there. That's the main rink that I won't really show or else I'll get in trouble. And I'll kind of walk you through the track. I'll need to shift into second at some point here, so bear with me. So this would be what I would call turn one, and then you come down and you're going down a bit of a straight here. Shift to second, so you don't burn out first gear. Bit of a straight here, and then what we're gonna do is come in here and we're gonna look for the third cross section here. So this guy right here is where I've you know, placed my magical cone, and then the second one here we're gonna come back. So we're gonna come back around this way, and then we're gonna use this curb as another pylon, and then take another straight kind of down this section here. A little bit of curbing you can take on the left here. Watch out for the trees and birds. We're gonna turn in right here, and this one's actually not gonna be a straight. There's a little sewer right in the middle of the lot, which maybe you can kind of see right there. So we're gonna use that as a cone and come around there, and then come back down the back section, hard into here, hard brake, and then a really hard right-hander back towards your start line. So that's kind of it. The whole circuit, when I'm really pushing, takes about 30 seconds. I think my best lap in dry conditions was 28 seconds. Today I was pushing, 30, 31, 32. So we come around here. This would be turn 3, I guess. And then turn 4 on the other apex here. This would maybe be a combo turn, 5 or 6. A little bit of wheel spin out of there. We take a little nick of the curbing, watch out for the tree. Come in across here. This turn really pushes the tires because you're coming right across to get over that sewer, and then you're coming back through here and you want a really fast finish. You can take it wide, and then that allows you a better entry through back into turn 1. And I know there's probably a lot of people that are like, this guy is such a loser. Oh my God, go do something else with your life. But you know what, guys? It's quarantine season. This is an effective method of social distancing. I'm not hurting anyone, but my car maybe. So, and you know what? As lame as it looks, it's actually really fun to hoon around a parking lot in a structured manner like this. Like, I'm not just doing circles. I actually am able to, record lap times and think about the way I'm taking different turns and get to feel for the car. Like, I have a much better feel for when the car is gonna slip now, and kind of where I can maybe slip it and maybe where it's a little too dangerous to kind of spin the wheels. Like at a turn 3 here, I almost ended up in the grass on that side there that I don't want to be doing that. So this one's fun. And then we come around here. So anyways, I'll roll the footage of me doing some laps now with the race track, or whatever they call it, TrackAddict overlay, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I guess that's something I have to say now, unfortunately.